Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead here on ArklaTexHomepage.com, as well as the ArklaTexHomepage.com app. And looking at the weather pattern, you can see the large area of upper-level high pressure, which is now centered to our west, far enough that we have seen a little bit of a cool down. Front did make its way through the area last night. Big upper-level trough here centered over the southeastern sections of the country. Those folks experiencing some below normal temperatures, but we will likely see the above normal temperatures stick around for our area. Here's a look at that weather pattern. You can see that ridge as we go forward in time. We will see it pretty much hold firm. That disturbance to our east will gradually weaken, and that's going to allow, as the ridge expands somewhat back to the east, it's going to allow another pretty good shot for warm up here in the coming days. This triple-digit heat likely will return by the last half of the work week. But the good news is you can see the ridge by the time we get to Friday centered a little bit more towards the west. We do have a disturbance. You can see up towards Seattle and Billings, Northern Rockies. That is going to usher another front through the area, and we will see temperatures moderate by the first part of next week. Until then, heat will continue to be the story. Looking at Robin's targeted futurecast, you can see that tonight we will see a mostly clear sky across the Arklatex with a light northeast wind. Tomorrow, looking at lots of sunshine once again, nothing really too much as far as rainfall as you might expect. That will hold true for tomorrow night as we stay mostly clear, and then going into Wednesday, expect a mix of clouds and sunshine, and once again we will likely stay dry, and that will likely be the case for Thursday as well. Take you through the next 4 days here with rainfall potential. This is basically what our model is showing, and you can see nothing as all the rain stays to the north of the Arklatex through Friday afternoon. We will probably have to wait until at the very earliest the end of the weekend, Sunday night, perhaps Monday of next week, to see our next best chance of rain. Main thing until then will be the extreme heat. Lows tonight, mid-70s across the Arklatex, including 75 in Texarkana, 76 degrees in Shreveport. Daytime highs tomorrow should rebound back up into the mid-90s for the most part. 96 in Texarkana, 97 for the high temperature in Shreveport. And once again, that heat index likely will be in excess of 100 across the region tomorrow, and that will likely go up again later in the week as temperatures themselves surpass 100. So here's a look at your 7-day forecast. We'll start you off with Shreveport, and you can see the numbers here. 97 tomorrow, 99 for Wednesday, triple-digit heat for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, although not quite as hot as what we experienced last week and especially yesterday. You can see that chance of rain beginning to increase somewhat by the first part of next week. Right now I have 30-40% shot for the rain for Monday. That number could go up as models try to come together a bit more as far as rainfall potential. But notice the temperatures, 92 for the daytime high in Shreveport next Monday. In Texarkana, you're looking at pretty much the same story, although not quite as hot. Forecast for Texarkana is showing the temperatures warming up back up to 100 and close to it for Thursday, Friday, into Saturday. Notice that slight chance of rain, perhaps as early as Saturday, will increase somewhat as we go into the first part of next week. Overnight lows in both Shreveport and Texarkana will likely stay in the mid to upper 70s. So all in all, it does appear as if we will see more heat in the coming days, with temperatures in the mid to upper 90s for the next few days. Should warm up in excess of 100 degrees once again as we close the work week.